So having a look at the principles behind really good distance control with your wedges, the first thing we're going to have a look is where the ball position is going to be. So you want it right in the centre of the stance, and you want to make sure that it is fully in line with your sternum here, the centre of the body. You don't want to have any tilt this way or too far forwards, because that really affects how you can deliver the club. Then the first thing we'll be looking at is the swing length. So we're actually looking at a partial swing, which is 9 o'clock backswing, which is left arm parallel to the ground here. Now, you want to own this position, because if you can own the length of the swing here and you can maintain a really good tempo very consistently and make sure that you're coming right through to a full finish, if you can do those things every time, you will really start to be able to get great distance control. What we're going to do is have a look at this now, hit a few shots, and show you how to apply this into your practice using Toptracer. So moving into hitting a few shots now, what we're going to start to do is using that Toptracer, we're going to hit 50 balls, really focusing each time. I like to practice swinging between each shot, getting a feel for the swing position, making sure I've got the tempo, and then getting that ball position, get fundamentals really good, ensure that you are stood the right distance from the ball, and then just taking that club back, just focus at that 9 o'clock position, decent tempo through, to sort of full finish, and then really start to get that feel. So overall what you're trying to do there is get a feel for the swing length matched into the tempo. You're then going to move through 50 balls, then you're going to have to hit those 50 balls, you can get the mean, the average of how far those are going. If I was you, I'd look at carry and total, because this can be very, very good for different times of the year, when greens are firmer or softer, and make a big difference to your ability to score from that 100 yards in the zone. So now having a look at Toptracer here, I can see how far that shot is carrying. So that's carrying 69 yards, running out to 75 yards. Now, having done this with 50 balls, I'll get the average. This is then going to make a huge difference to my ability to control how far that ball's going. What I do next is actually some 10-30 swings, repeating the process to make sure that I have got the ability to control that swing length and how far it's going. What I then do is I go through the bag, I have a look at, I carry 4 wedges, so I go through all 4 wedges, I have 3 swing lengths, which is a 9 o'clock, a 10-30 and a full. And this is then going to give me great distance control inside that 100-yard range, really will allow me to have great ability to control the ball.